Hello everyone. So today we have the Pirina Srivastav with us, who have secured the rank 9 in the VLSI hackathon conducted by NIT Jamshedpur and VLSI for all. Hi Pirina, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm great.
Okay, please give the introduction about.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Prerna Shrestha, currently pursuing BTech in Electronics and Communication from JP Institute of Information Technology, Noida. I'm also currently interning at DRDO.
Great. So how was your experience at VLSI hackathon conducted by NIT Jamshedpur and VLSI for all?
It was a great experience. Firstly, all the problem statements were quite good. Like, it was up to the level of industry level, I would say, and all the problems stated did require a deep thinking. We really enjoyed doing this work, and the problem statement we choose was quite interesting, and the solution we proposed is quite good.
So tell me about the life at GIIT नोएडा. So ये प्राइवेट कॉलेज है, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज है, लाइफ कैसी है, प्रोफेसर्स कैसे हैं, प्लेसमेंट कैसा है?
ओके फर्स्टली जेपी एक प्राइवेट कॉलेज है, प्राइवेट इंस्टीट्यूशन, एंड यहाँ पे एडमिशन दो तरीके से होता है, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बोर्ड एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जी रैंक. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोफेसर्स, दे आर क्वाइट गुड एंड एक्सेलेंट प्रोफेसर्स वी हैव. Currently few professors are in top 2% scientists of the
Great.
world. And talking about, I belong to electronics and communication field, so yeah, since VLSI industry is booming, so our college is tying with all other fabrication industries, and currently they are signed MOU with ISC Bangalore for fabrication. So yeah, it's booming, and for electronics I would suggest ki they are setting the benchmark for the industry level. Talking about placements, CS placements have been quite decent this year, and like the highest package went around 94.25, but it was off campus though from LinkedIn. And core placements are still ongoing. So yeah.
EC का प्लेसमेंट कैसा है particularly EC?
Particularly EC placement, ST and few other companies came and they took interns on it. Like, okay, it was pretty recent number since most of the students are quite interested towards CS job.
हाँ.
They like बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं प्रीफर करते हैं EC के jobs,
Yeah.
but still if I would talk about, तो हाँ, few good companies came and they offered DC.
Basically आप एफर्ट मारोगे तो हो
Yeah,
जाएगा.
exactly. Effort माने पहुँचे.
And tell me like what are the future goals you have? So currently you are looking for the VLSI job or you are preparing for masters or something else?
Currently I'm preparing for masters, and after that I'll most probably go for government jobs.
Okay. JP में recently VLSI design introduce हुआ है, BTech in VLSI design.
Yeah.
So उसके बारे में आपको कुछ idea है कैसा, like how is it is different from EC?
Their main focus is actually on VLSI designing. Like in electronics and communication, we have different domains. Like we study about VLSI semiconductor. Along with that, we go for radio frequency and all the communication aspects. But talking about VLSI design, they are solely focusing on only specifically on VLSI design.
And what are the advice you want to give to the juniors who are your juniors in the college or like other juniors who are preparing for the masters GATE or VLSI?
ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज़ कि फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड बहुत इन्जॉय करो कॉलेज का, लर्न अ लॉट, डू टेक पार्ट्स इन हैकाथॉन्स, और जितना ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर गेन कर सको आप कॉलेज से और कॉलेज के बाहर से, उतना ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. डोंट ओनली स्टिक टू CGPA ज़रूरी नहीं, इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट टू मेक अ डिसेंट CGPA, बट वही लाइफ नहीं सेट करने वाला. यू डू नीड टू हैव अ स्किल्स, एंड करेंटली जिस हिसाब से रिसेशन चल रहा है मार्केट में, इफ़ यू आर लाइक highly skilled, then you have help. बस effort मारो and just learn a lot of things.
So thank you Prerna, thank you for your time, thank you.
Thank you, sir.